Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, we'll discuss how long can a TikTok video be created and how to create longer TikTok videos. So before we begin, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Okay. So while you're scrolling on TikTok, you've noticed that users have created long TikTok videos and you want to know if it is possible or not. So previously, when TikTok was released, you could only upload 15 seconds video, and then the limit was later extended to 1 minute, then to 3 minutes. Now, since users have been creating longer videos, there has been demand for longer TikTok recording time. So since the demand has grown, TikTok has enabled 10-minute videos which you can create on TikTok. So to make a 10-minute video, you will need to ensure the option is available on your version of your app. So before we begin, you want to first make sure your TikTok app has been updated to the latest version. So you want to go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure that's updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign at the bottom to post a video. And now here you'll see all the options which are available just above your shutter button. So you'll see your 15 seconds video. If you swipe left, you'll see your 60 seconds. And then now if you swipe left again, you'll see your 10-minute. So these are the 3 time limits which you can use: 15, 60 seconds, and 10 minutes. So there you go, guys. That is how to create longer videos on your TikTok app. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.